What if I told you that while millions of creators around the world are still working tirelessly to qualify for YouTube monetization, a completely different opportunity is quietly emerging, one that could open new doors for Facebook creators. For years, creators have been told the same thing. Grow your audience, reach monetization requirements, secure sponsorships, promote affiliate products, or sell your own courses and merchandise. And while those methods still work, the creator economy is changing faster than ever before. Today, creators are no longer limited to earning from just one platform or one income source. New technologies are creating exciting possibilities, and one of the biggest trends shaping the future is Web3. Now imagine continuing to create the exact same videos you already upload on Facebook, while becoming part of an ecosystem designed to recognize and reward creators in a completely different way. Sounds exciting, right? That's exactly what OneWave is trying to build. Instead of asking creators to leave Facebook behind, OneWave wants to work alongside it, creating an additional ecosystem where creators can receive recognition for the value they bring to their communities. In today's video, we'll answer questions like, what is OneWave? Why are so many creators talking about it? What is the dollar cross reward system? Why did OneWave choose Facebook? What is OneChain? And how can you join in the future? Whether you're already creating content on Facebook or you're simply curious about the future of Web3, this video is for you. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, relax, and let's dive in. What exactly is OneWave? Before talking about blockchain, rewards, or digital assets, let's answer the most important question. What exactly is OneWave? At its heart, OneWave is a Web3-powered creator ecosystem built around one simple philosophy. Creators deserve to be rewarded for the value they create. Think about everything creators do every single week. Researching ideas, writing scripts, recording videos, editing content, designing thumbnails, replying to comments, helping their audience, building trust, growing communities. Content creation isn't just pressing the upload button. It's hours of work that often go unnoticed. Yet many talented creators never receive meaningful financial rewards simply because they haven't reached monetization requirements or because monetization isn't available in their country. OneWave believes creators should have additional opportunities beyond traditional advertising. Instead of asking, how many ads were shown? Ask, how much value did this creator bring to their community? That shift in thinking is what makes OneWave different. Working with Facebook. One of the smartest ideas behind OneWave is that it isn't trying to replace Facebook. That's important. Many Web3 projects make the mistake of asking creators to abandon platforms they've spent years building. Imagine spending 5 years growing a Facebook page with thousands of followers. Then someone tells you to start over from zero. Most creators simply wouldn't do it. OneWave understands this. Instead of competing against Facebook, it wants to complement it. You continue making the content your audience already enjoys. You continue posting to Facebook. You continue building your community. Meanwhile, OneWave introduces another layer that may provide additional recognition and future opportunities. This makes the learning process much easier, especially for creators who have never used blockchain technology before. Instead of forcing change, OneWave works alongside your existing workflow. The bigger vision. To understand why people are paying attention to OneWave, we need to look at how the internet has evolved. 20 years ago, simply posting online was exciting. Then advertising changed everything. Creators could suddenly earn money from videos, blogs, and live streams. Entire careers were built. But today's creator economy is more competitive than ever. Millions of videos are uploaded every single day. Algorithms change constantly. Advertising revenue fluctuates. Platform policies evolve. Many talented creators struggle to be discovered despite producing outstanding content. OneWave believes blockchain technology can introduce another way to recognize creators. Not to replace advertising. Not to replace Facebook. But to add another opportunity. Think of it like adding another income layer instead of replacing the foundation. That's a much more practical vision. Community first. Another core idea behind OneWave is community. Successful creators don't just upload videos. They educate. They inspire. They answer questions. They entertain. They solve problems. They motivate people. Communities are built on trust. OneWave wants creators who consistently contribute positive value to those communities to receive greater recognition. Imagine 2 creators. The first uploads shocking videos that go viral for one day. The second uploads educational tutorials every week that help thousands of people improve their skills. Traditional advertising often rewards whoever gets the most clicks. OneWave is exploring whether long-term value should matter just as much. It's a fascinating idea and one that's becoming increasingly important across the creator economy. Why Web3 matters. If you've never heard of Web3 before, don't worry. You don't need to become a blockchain expert overnight. In simple terms, Web3 represents the next generation of internet technology. It introduces blockchain to create greater transparency, participation, and new ways for digital communities to interact. For creators, this can open opportunities that simply didn't exist before. New reward systems, greater participation, digital ownership, community-driven ecosystems. OneWave quietly integrates these ideas behind the scenes. Creators don't have to completely change how they work. They simply continue creating valuable content while the ecosystem explores new ways to recognize those contributions. That's what makes OneWave approachable for beginners. It's not about replacing what creators already know. It's about expanding what's possible. So that's the foundation of what OneWave is all about. It's a project exploring how Facebook creators could become part of a Web3-powered ecosystem without abandoning the audience they've worked so hard to build. Instead of replacing Facebook, OneWave aims to complement it. Instead of focusing only on advertising, it explores rewarding creators for the value they bring to their communities. And perhaps most importantly, it lowers the barrier for creators who are completely new to blockchain technology. But this is only part 1 of our complete OneWave series. In part 2, we'll take a much closer look at the dollar cross reward system, how it works, why it's important, and what creators should know before getting involved. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment below telling us. Would you join a creator ecosystem that rewards value instead of just views? Thanks so much for watching. Stay creative, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.